class, today we're making an Asian ice cream flavor inspired by one of my most favorite childhood drinks growing up, winter melon tea. Winter melon tea is a popular sweetened drink that can be found at many stores and street vendors in Taiwan. Made out of winter melon and brown sugar that is cooked and reduced for many hours, the drink has a very distinctive and refreshing taste. I will be using the winter melon tea brick, which is a classic way to make winter melon tea at home. You could of course use a store-bought winter melon syrup that is commonly used at boba stores, but I'm never sure what they put in those, so I'd rather make it the old-fashioned way. First, we will make a thickened winter melon syrup. Open a packet of winter melon tea brick and take out the brick. I'm only using half of this, so I'll be breaking it up with a hammer. If you want to make a big portion of syrup that you can use later, you can always use the whole brick and increase the water amount. In a pot, add half a cup of water and add the half winter melon brick. Turn on medium heat. Make sure to keep stirring so the brick melts and is mixed with the water. Keep boiling until it has been reduced to a thick syrup. Once you've reached this consistency, remove from the heat and set it aside to cool. Take a tub of grass jelly and cut it into small cubes. This will add some interesting flavor and texture to our ice cream. In a mixing bowl, add an 1/8 teaspoon of sea salt, add 2 cups of heavy cream, 1 cup of whole milk, add the winter melon syrup we made earlier. Make sure to save some syrup for drizzling over the ice cream later. Use a spatula to mix everything evenly. And then add the grass jelly cubes. Let's take a quick moment to admire my new, stylish, yet handy ice cream maker, courtesy of Aki Home. It features an LCD screen with a one-touch control panel. You will need to freeze the ice cream bucket overnight before use. Insert the frozen bucket into the machine and attach the churn paddle. Good things take time, so our slow churned ice cream will take a total of about 40 minutes. You can turn it on and let it run while you watch another episode of your favorite K-drama. I'm going to set a 20 minutes timer first so we can check up on it midway. Slowly pour our ice cream mixture into the machine. Make sure the machine is running and the churning paddle is spinning before you pour the mixture. This ice cream maker is very compact, so it doesn't take up a whole lot of space in your kitchen. The clear lid also allows you to watch your ice cream making in action. Once the second 20-minute time increment is up, the ice cream should be ready to be taken out. Pour the ice cream into a container. Cover it with plastic wrap and make sure the wrap is touching and sealing the surface of the ice cream to prevent icy frost on top of the ice cream. Freeze the ice cream for about 4 hours. Take your ice cream out of the freezer and scoop to serve. Drizzle some of the winter melon syrup we saved. I'm adding a Taiwanese wafer roll as a garnish. I hope you enjoy this unique ice cream that you can't buy in the store. For more yummy and unique recipes with an Asian flair, please subscribe to my channel.